Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to always use secure connections in Opera GX on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar under Privacy and Security section, click on this one Security option. Here you will find this one option, Always use secure connections. Just turn on this one toggle switch. By default it remains turned off. Once you will turn on this one toggle switch, Opera GX will use HTTPS whenever possible and get warned before loading sites that does not support HTTPS